What if I told you that a simple mix of garlic and honey could supercharge your immune system and transform your health in just 7 days? Stay with me to learn this powerful remedy and its amazing benefit. Today, I'm sharing a natural remedy that's as powerful as it is simple: raw garlic and honey. This combination isn't just a delicious way to boost your health. It's also a natural powerhouse for treating common ailments and building immunity. Ready to learn more? Let's dive in. Garlic is truly extraordinary, part of the allium family. Just like onions, it grows easily around the world and has been a kitchen staple for centuries. But garlic isn't just about flavor. It's about one of the most powerful natural antibiotics. Its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antioxidant properties make it a medicinal marvel. Nutritional breakdowns per 100 grams of garlic: 95% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin B6, 38% of vitamin C, 13% iron, 18% calcium, 80% manganese, 22% phosphorus. Raw garlic is loaded with allicin, a powerful compound that activates when garlic is crushed. This is what makes garlic an immune-boosting superstar. Combining garlic with honey amplifies its benefit. Let's break down what this remedy can do for you. Boost immunity. A stronger immune system in just a few days. It improves heart health, lowers cholesterol and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart attack. It also fights infections, effective against cold, flu, and even fungal infections. It also enhances energy level, feel healthier and more energetic in just 1 week. Making this remedy is simple and quick. Here is how you do it. Peel. Take 2 or 3 fresh garlic cloves and peel them. Chop the clove into small pieces or crush them to activate the allicin. Combine the garlic with a teaspoon of raw honey. Mix it well. That's it. You now have a powerful remedy ready to work wonders. The best way to consume garlic is raw because cooking destroys allicin. Take this mixture on an empty stomach for maximum benefit. For convenience, you can prepare a large batch and store it in a glass jar in the fridge. Just remember to use it within a few days for optimal freshness. Garlic, allicin, and honey natural enzymes create a powerful duo that strengthens your immune system, fights inflammation, and improves overall health. Plus, it's a natural, cost-effective alternative to pharmaceutical drugs. That's all for today's health-boosting recipe. If you are ready to try this remedy, let us know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to Splendor's Remedy for more natural remedies. Stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.